Apple has finally announced the upcoming iPhone 13 series launch date and timing. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, September is here and that means one thing. It's an Apple event season and the Silicon Valley based company has announced a virtual event for September 14 where it is expected to unveil several new products including the iPhone 13 5G and the Apple Watch Series 7. So guys, basically we know that the pandemic is here, so the iPhone 13 will be a virtual event that is going to be starting at around 10 a.m. It's going to be a pre-recorded event. Obviously you already familiar with that since the launch of the Apple iPhone 12 series devices. Well, basically the biggest announcement on that particular event will be the iPhone 13 5G series, which is set up to succeed the popular iPhone 12 lineup. It will consist of 4 models: iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max. The Apple iPhone 13 models will be having a similar screen sizes as we have in the iPhone 12 as per the latest leak. All 4 devices will be benefit from a tweaked design, the biggest difference being the adoption of a revised notch design that should see a reduction in the width and house a rearranged Face ID system which may even work with a mask. A faster A15 chip is coming along with a faster 5G technology, and perhaps the biggest change might be the 120Hz ProMotion display is expected for the Pro models, and this basically ProMotion will be supported by LTPO technology, which means that it will consume less battery capacity. There also has been rumors about an always on display technology is also going to be implemented, so that's a possibility right now. Also, there are larger battery capacities are expected to be coming, which makes the device a little bit on the thicker side, with Apple bringing sensor shifts optical image stabilization to the whole iPhone 13 lineup, including a better ultra-wide camera for the Pro models, and improving the cameras of the iPhone 13 Pro to bring it to the line with the Pro Max. Big updates to the rear camera hardware of all the models are on the cards too, with a particular focus on video recording capabilities. Visually, the camera bump on the 5G iPhone 13 Pro models will be bigger than the current ones, and the iPhone 13 and 13 mini on the other hand could adopt a diagonal layout, making them stand out from the past devices. There is also possibility that Apple will be bringing a sensor shift optical image stabilization to the whole iPhone 13 lineup and improving the cameras of iPhone 13 Pro to bring it to the line with the Pro Max. Debuting alongside with the iPhone 13 5G line is said to be the Apple Watch Series 7. It is expected to offer the first major redesign since the Apple Watch Series 4 and comes in 2 new sizes: 41mm and 45mm. The key difference in the Watch 7 should be a new flat frame and larger display. Not much is expected for the 2021 Apple Watch in terms of feature. So guys, all in all, this is going to be bigger event for Apple because iPhone 13 series is going to be coming with the biggest upgrade like the 120Hz of ProMotion, and also it's going to be coming with a redesign in terms of its notch. So I'm definitely looking forward towards that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.